Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about some important and useful shortcuts in Intelij and also how to debug using Intelij. So let's start Intelij. This is one sample Java program which is used to convert hexadecimal values to decimals. The first shortcut will be Alt plus 1. By pressing this, it will open the project window. From the project window, we can see all our files there. And then pressing the escape, the pointer will be back to where we were editing. And the next is Alt plus enter. It is called fix anything. It will show suggestions how to solve errors and how to fix the line. So when we run the program, there shows one error. And if we press Alt plus enter here, it will show how to solve the error. In any other line, we can also press this Alt plus enter. It will show suggestions how to change the line. Then there is Control plus E, which opens up recent files. Here are the recent files I have opened. And by pressing it, it will take us to that file. Then Alt plus F7. It shows the usage of an element. Here we come to here the scanner. Alt plus F7. It shows where it is used here in this line. And system.out.println. It shows how many lines have used this line, this sentence. Next is double control. Double clicking control will show the run anything window. This is the window. We can type the file name whichever is in this folder from here. I will type one of my file time, then enter. Then suddenly that file will be run. There. Then there is Control plus W. It selects elements in the increasing or decreasing of section of code. When we should Control plus W from here. Then keep on pressing W. It will select the whole sentence, then the whole line, then the next two lines, that in that order. Next shortcut is for commenting. Control and a forward slash at any line will make it a comment. Here, control and one forward slash. It will make the same comment. To remove that, we should do the same. Control and pressing a forward slash will remove the line from a comment. And to add a block of comments, we should select the line and press Control plus Shift plus a forward slash. It will make block comment. Shift Control plus forward slash will also remove that. Then there is Control plus F. Control plus F. It will show a search window. In the file, we can type anything. I will type hex and it will show us wherever hex is mentioned. Then if we want to open the terminal, pressing function plus F12 will open up the terminal. Here it is. And then pressing Control plus Alt plus L will reformat the line. Here in this line, if it is like this, and we need to format it correctly, then Control plus Alt and L. It is formatted correctly. and any other line. Here, everything will be done all at once. Then there is double clicking shift. Double clicking shift will open the find anything window. Here our classes can be shown and action, symbol, everything can be searched and taken. There are tools also available. Tools can also be searched. Tools, tabs, anything. Okay, now let's move on to debugging using Intelij. We mainly use debugging when our program is stuck or it may have some logical errors we mainly cannot see. So when our program is halfway stuck, we should debug. When we debug, it will show us the each line by line compiling and what is happening in the line, which will be easier for us to identify that error. So in this program, there isn't something like that. So I will move on this. This is a program to calculate area of a circle. Here we enter the diameter, then the radius is calculated and area is then calculated and shown. Let us run the program. Let's enter the diameter. Then the radius will be 3 and area will be around 27, 28 something. But it shows the area is 0. So no errors is shown, but still the output is incorrect. So there is something error which is inside the program. So now we should debug the program. So mainly before debugging we should rather than completely debugging the program, we should check for certain possible area of error. Here for that we use point breaking. Point break, which click on the gutter area which is left side of this gutter area from here to printing area. Here gutter area. I have done point break, which means it will be debugged mainly here. So let's debug. Pi is pi value got. Now let's resume. Go to console, which is asking us for input to check. Let's enter same 6 and then go to debugger. Their input is given. Diameter is read as 6. Then the radius is 0 and area is 0. So we can see that it isn't just only the area. The calculation is wrong when the radius is calculated. So let's see the screen. We can see what's happening in every screen. Here diameter is inputted, here diameter 6, then radius is calculated, diameter 6, then radius 0. So we can see radius is calculated wrong. So we can fix it is the line with the error. So when we look at this, we can simply say that it is not mode, diameter divided by 2 is radius. So we correct it. Then every execution goes as follows. Then we can exit the debugging. Now when we run the program, diameter 6, here, correct answer. So in order to remove the point break, just click on it again. So through this video, I have shown you several useful shortcuts in Intelij and how to simply easily debug it. There are several other lots of shortcuts and features in Intelij, which is really useful for programmers. So I will stop the video. Thank you.